Hi everyone, this is Salman and you are watching YouTube channel ngntech.com. Today we are demonstrating you. This is my first video on YouTube. I'm starting the channel from YouTube. I make this channel last 9 years ago and still not have videos upload. So today we are starting very interesting labs about the system, network and security. Uh, so please subscribe my channel. Also, click on the bell icon and comments. So let's start. So first, we're starting first, and we are start first the main controller. So I'm creating my virtual machine. This is my dedicated server. So I will boot up the CD and install the Windows Server 2012. This is my the first domain controller. So the file is loading, and not about how many RAM I will check. So guys, you can viewers here, please subscribe my channel and you learn a lot of things about my channel. So basically so before we start, first of all introducing myself. My name is Salman. I am system network and security specialist in ngntech Unlimited, one of the best IT solution provider in Pakistan and all over the world. So you need to feel free to contact us. You have to discuss about IT related anything, security, system, network, video conferencing. So you can feel free to contact me on Skype or uh, drop down the email. So let's start. So my boot CD is running, so I will install my first Win controller, and let's see. I'm using this box. This is so easy for you using. One second. That's not. Okay, I'm installing Windows Server 2012 Standard Editions evaluation copy, and because this is just only purpose lab version, so that's why we are installing the evaluation. When you have the enterprise level, you can install the by purchase the Windows Server. Okay, next, and system. So I will delete this partition because I already installed my domain controller. That's why I will delete it. So next. Oh, okay, my Windows installation, Windows Server 2012. So I will stop the video, and when my installation complete and there is okay, let me check how many install. Right, 38% install. So when they complete it, then I will start the video. Okay, my Windows installation is complete, 100%. So now time to restart, and then I will uh, change the host name and install the Active Directory domain controller. This is ready for the my first domain controller. Okay, now the restart my first domain controller ready for installation. The So, guys, telling you I'm installing. Actually, this is the EXI server 6.0, and I'm installing my domain controller in the virtual machine. So, EXI is one of the best thing. You have to manage a lot of servers, a lot of machines can handle on the same platform. So this is my server requirement. Like memory is Intel Intel Core PowerEdge 2915 and 3 TB hard drive and a lot of very powerful machine. So okay, now the again restart and now time to log in my first username, password, and complete uh, the installations of the domain controller. In Inshallah, we are starting the very mega lab for about the solar wind, the FortiGate, a lot of stuff you'll learn on this channel. So please keep watching and subscribe my channel. Also share my video if you like my video. Please share, or if you need any information about the IT related data centers, so you can feel free to contact me on Skype. I will show you my Skype uh, in the descriptions, and also I will you can drop the email. Alright, so I will set the password, post my domain controller, and the finalize your settings. And okay, my Windows, I'm in domain controller, now login and now log in my domain controller. This is the first look. My domain controller is ready. I'm just only install the window, not install the right now domain controller, but in the next few minutes I will install. But this is the proper way to install the domain controller, right? So I will stop. Uh, I will first of all I will change the host name. When you install your enterprise level or the production environment, these apps is very important to install your domain controller. First you have to change the computer name, because this is very important. Change the computer name, and second one is restart later, and next is you have to install add role the desktop experience. The desktop experience is very important. When you install the new Windows Server, the desktop experience is very important. You have to view everything, each and everything. So first I will change my IP, right? Okay, viewers, I will change the host name. Now before we install the desktop experience, I will change my IP, and I'm insert the IP for my first domain controller. 192.168.2.40 is my domain controller IP. Gateway 2.1, and if you have the public DNS server, so I will set the IP address, and okay, my IP address is change. sorry. And now this is my IP address. So I will use the remote desktop to more easy to use. So I will set the remote desktop and apply. Okay, now I will connect my recording machine. I will connect my domain controller. Okay, so this is my domain controller and the type of password. Alright, so I will using the remote desktop, so there is a more easy to use the console. But you have to install the VM application. So then you have to also use all the EXI console. So click on server, add role, next, next, and this is my IP 2.40. Okay, now click on next and Windows, where is user interface infrastructures, and click on the desktop experience tick and next and install. So the installation will start. So I will install the also I will install VM tools, right? So click on the right, install and upgrade VM tools. It's very important. Just run the drivers, the display card, and a lot of things. So click on also um, VM tools. This is the proper way to install if you're installing the domain controller in the virtual environment. So a little bit time to complete the installation, and my the desktop experience also install. So still my computer name is same because I did not restart my system, so I will restart and one time to complete everything. This is the main. This is the very important to install these things when you install in the virtual environment. The desktop experience. If you install the Windows 2019 or 16, you don't need to install the desktop experience. By default it install in 2016 server and 2019, but 2012 and 2008 is required for the VM tools and the desktop experience. So my desktop experience almost complete. So I will stop the video when the installation complete, then I will install my first domain controller. Okay, my desktop experience is dropped, so required for restart, and also my VM tools also installed. So I will restart the system. I'm in the main controller where I'm installing. So when the boot is up, and I will. Okay, viewers, my domain controller is back after installation desktop experience and uh, the host name change. So I will log in on first time. Like, look at this, it's look fast, and you have to see the personalization. When you install the desktop experience, then you will show the personalization. uh, this is very important and manage. and my system name, computer name is changed in DC, right? Now the time to install the domain controller. Okay. Still waiting, it's loading. Now click on add roles and future. Click next. Role with future space installation. Right, next. And now look at this. DC name, IP address, and operating system. Everything you have to see. Click on the Active Directory domain and services. Click add next, and by default you have to check next and install DC. There's a little bit time to install. So let's take a time. So I will stop the video. It's taken some time, so I will stop the video and back when the finish is installation is complete. Okay, viewers, the installation is maybe now the procedure to install the promote the server to the domain controller. To click on it, and the domain name is like here's my domain company name is ngntech.com. So I will put the name, or you have to local or something like that, anything you want. So this is my domain name. So click on add new. This is the add domain controller for the existing domain. Add new domain controller existing for us like ns1.lhr.ngtech.com. So I'm creating the very first domain controller, so that's why we are entered the name of the company or organization name. So I will put the root domain name is ngntech.com. And this is the forest level. The forest level means your integration with also Windows Server 28. So I will put in Server 28. If you are not running in Server 28 in your environment, so don't use that. So also uh, domain function level is Windows Server 28, right? So now type the password and hit next. And now the asking about the create a domain DNS server. So that's why we are need a DNS server. So it's take a time, so I will stop the video and back when the installation is complete. Alright, so next. Alright, so database of the domain controller, local folder, and sysvol folder. So I will choose the default, but you have to change it if you want. Click next, and these features are installed and so right. So next, and now the time to verify prerequisites of the domain controller operating system. These prerequisites is very important if your domain controller is not working. So all prerequisite check pass successfully. And some warnings delegations of the DNS server, but it's not a problem for you. So now the time to click on install. Alright, so Windows Server domain controller is default security setting. Allow cryptography algorithm compatible with Windows NT 4.0. The delegation DNS servers cannot be created because the auto authentication is presumed. So waiting for the DNS installations. If you install if you install the DNS on the first, no problem, but you have to also install over there. So this is the proper way. So it takes some time, so I will stop the video when the installation is complete, then start again. Okay, friends, my domain controller is complete install. Now I will create the shortcut of our remote desktop. So click on it and log in. Now my domain controller is ready for the installation, the different services in the organization. This is the proper way to install the domain controller. dcndc.ngntech.com, and also you can check the Active Directory. Right, so this is my DC one, and also you have to check the DNS. Automatic has been entry in my the forward localhost and DNS entry. All entries has been automatically generate from your organization when you integration any services, any server through the domain controller. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy, and next video is very interesting installation the SolarWind on in the enterprise level. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my video. If you need any information about the IT related, you can contact me on feel free. So please subscribe my channel ngntech. Also visit my website ngntech.com. Thanks for watching.